Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to access Spider-Man Remastered. Many players are eager to experience this thrilling adventure, but it is important to understand its platform availability. This incredible game was specifically designed for certain high-performance systems, requiring substantial processing power and advanced graphical capabilities to deliver its stunning visuals and fluid gameplay. The Nintendo Switch, while a fantastic console, has different hardware specifications and focuses on its own unique library of exclusive titles. To truly enjoy Spider-Man Remastered, you will find it available on its intended platforms. The game is primarily playable on PlayStation consoles, specifically the PlayStation 5, where it was initially launched. Additionally, it has been released for personal computers, accessible through popular digital storefronts. These platforms are equipped with the necessary hardware, including powerful processors and dedicated graphics cards, to render the game's expansive open world and detailed character models at smooth frame rates, ensuring an optimal gaming experience. The absence of Spider-Man Remastered on the Nintendo Switch is due to several factors. Firstly, platform exclusivity agreements frequently dictate where major titles are released. Secondly, the game's cutting-edge graphics and complex physics engine demand significantly more processing power and memory than the Switch's architecture typically provides. Successfully porting such a high-fidelity game would necessitate extensive optimization, potentially compromising the visual quality or performance, which developers often aim to avoid for their flagship titles. While Spider-Man Remastered is not on the Nintendo Switch, there are many other fantastic Spider-Man games available across various platforms. If you are keen on playing a Spider-Man title, explore games specifically developed or optimized for the Nintendo Switch, or consider the platforms where Remastered is available. Each system offers unique gaming experiences, and you can still enjoy the web-slinging hero's adventures in different forms, ensuring you find a game that suits your preferred console and delivers hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.